Have you noticed how let them theory is everywhere on the internet right now? Basically, the let them theory is if there is someone who thinks that you don't deserve of good things, let them. If there is someone who is talking bad about you, let them. If there is someone who wants to ghost you, let them. And it sounds so empowering, but in real life, it hurts like a hell. And sometimes it gets so lonely. Sometimes you imagine your whole future with that one person, and when it's time for the things to actually work, you have to let them go. That is not cool and trendy. That is the most hardest pill that someone has to swallow. Your love is what made that person a special for you. If you remove those emotions, that person is just a normal human being. The reason why it is special is because of your emotions. It is your love that made that person stronger. It is your love that made that person powerful. You have all the power. And see, sometimes God remove things from our life just to replace them with better things. Maybe He is just making a room for better things to come in. Imagine you are living in a home with one mattress and God remove that mattress from your life. How would that feel? You would feel scared, you would feel confused, you would feel devastated. You're gonna be like, oh my God, that was the only mattress I have, and God took that mattress from me. What I'm gonna do now? You would feel like everything is falling apart. But what if God removed that mattress just to give you the most comfortable and beautiful bed? At that moment, you cannot see the bed is coming into your life. The only thing that you can focus on is the pain, is the loss. And that is exactly how life works sometimes. So sometimes things do fall apart so the better things can come into the place. Like you have to see your situation as what it is, not what you want it to be, or not what you have imagined in your head. Look at their efforts, look at their consistency, and once you see the reality, don't ignore it. Just believe it. Legend theory is not only work for friendships or relationship, it also work in your daily life. There is someone who made comment on you and you hold on to that comment for your entire day, and that just gonna ruin your entire day. And most of the time we have to know that people who say bad things about others, those things have nothing to do with you, but more to do with them. Because people project their own insecurities onto other people, and you have to let that sink and have some purpose in your life. I mean, look at your life. What is actually you are doing to make your life better? Like your world is only revolving around one person. That is the reason why you are so miserable in your life, because you don't have a life. That is the reason why you have, attachment issues, or you feel so scared when that person is away from you. So girl, get a life. Because girl, everything is temporary in your life. That person, that friendship, that relationship, everything is temporary. You don't know when those things will be taken away from you. The only thing that is always gonna be there for you is you. And you are not doing all of that to prove them that you are doing so good. The best revenge is no revenge. Get in the best shape of your life, do good, but for yourself. You don't have to do it so that those people can see you win. No, you are winning it for yourself and you deserve that win. Look at yourself. You're the most prettiest thing that ever happened to that person. Losing you is little loss. See, if my intentions are so pure for you and you mistreated me and you take advantage of me, it's on you. And when you have a heart of gold, don't cry like, oh my God, I lost that person. No, they lost you. And just because something bad happened to you, that does not mean that you don't deserve good things. Or good things cannot happen to you. Just because you have one bad chapter, that does not mean the entire book is gonna be bad for you. Stop saying to yourself, oh my God, I don't deserve good things because something bad happened to you. No, you deserve good things. You do deserve good things, and good things will happen to you. Maybe right now you need some lessons to learn. Maybe right now you need that lesson to grow into your life. Don't you dare to think that you don't deserve good things. You do, my love. Stop saying negative things to yourself. Words are spells.